Math reviewer number 8, 16 plus 1 over 15 equals 1 over x, solve for x. So usually you can see this type of equation in solving a work problem. Okay, so let's solve for x. So first step to solve this is find the LCD. So what is the LCD of 6, 15, and x? So the LCD is equal to, so let's try the multiples of 15. So next to 15 is 30. 30 can divide 6, so therefore the LCD is 30x. So multiply both sides or each term by 30x. So just let's rewrite 16 plus 1 over 15 equals 1 over x, and then we multiply each term by 30x. So 16 times 30x, and then we have 1 over 15 times 30x, and then 1 over x times 30x. Okay, so we can divide first 30 divided by 6, so that is equal to 5. 5 times x times 1, so we have 5x plus 30x divided by 15. So 30 divided by 15, that is 2. 2 times x times 1, so we have 2x equals 30x divided by x. So just simply cancel x. So 1 times 30, we have 30. Then combine 5x and 2x, so that is equal to 7x equals 30. And then last step, divide both sides by 7. So the final answer is 30 over 7, or we can convert this into mixed number. So convert to mixed number. So let's just divide manually. 30 divided by 7, that is equal to 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, the remainder is 2. So therefore, the mixed number is 4. And then we have 2 over 7. So the value of x is 4 and 2 over 7. Follow for more.